Hey there, and welcome here at a new episode at PropCoach, like always with Coach Taco. And today, it's time, that day of the month again, that I have to tell you the truth. Yes, let's go to the truth, because if you're thinking about joining the real estate or you have just joined the real estate, I'm going to tell you something right now that is not going to make you that exciting. It's not going to make you that happy, but here it comes. 80% of all people that join this real estate industry will eventually fail. Yeah, at least 80%, and probably in some countries it's even higher. Why is it that in real estate we have such a big failure rate? It makes me sad, it makes the market sad, it makes you sad, it makes everybody sad. And the numbers are crazy. Usually within the first 8 months, the biggest group already leaves. So they only give it an 8-month chance to really see if they can succeed in this market. And what are the real reasons for that? Would you like to know? Okay, I got 3 reasons for you why so many people leave the real estate. Reason number 1, the biggest reason why many people leave this industry, that they suddenly find out, suddenly they see, suddenly they get shocked that real estate is actually a profession. Yes, it's something that you have to become professional in. Like any profession in the world, like a lawyer, an accountant, a hairdresser, you actually have to learn first before you become very good. So that means that the learning part is extremely important. And that's why we're here at PropCoach, right? We are always here to prepare people to go into the real estate market. So many people are not willing to learn. They're not willing to study. They're not willing to get educated. And that is where they come in front of a very big wall, in front of a very big block, realizing that real estate is not really for them. And that's why they leave again. So after learning, what comes then? They need to practice. You need a lot of practice in real estate, practicing your communication skills, practicing your product skills, practicing your lead generation skills. So many skills that needs a lot of practice, and that takes time. It simply takes time. You don't become an overnight success in real estate, and that makes already 80% of the people leave. And the last one is that real professionals execute every day. They're very disciplined in taking care of their clients, taking care of their business, and that eventually makes them go to a successful position within real estate. But 80% is not willing to do it, and that's why so many people leave. So obviously, real estate always changes, and that brings me to point number 2. If you are not somebody that can adapt to change, what means that when the market shifts from a seller market to a buyer market and you cannot shift with that, you're going to have a huge problem. If you cannot shift with all this new technology coming in, you're going to have a huge problem. If all this competition coming in, new agents, new blood, new generations coming in, if you cannot adapt to that, you're going to have a big problem. That's it. If you cannot keep up with that change, eventually you will drop out. And that's what I see a lot of times. Unfortunately, I see it with even people that have been in the business for a few years. They see all these new things happening and they just simply give up. So if you want to succeed in the real estate, you must be adaptive to change. Okay. I promised you that I give you a few points. Let me give you the 3rd point, right? The 3rd reason why so many people fail. Most people treat the real estate as a job, while in reality, you have to treat it like a business. Yes, you are in the real estate as a entrepreneur. That means that everything begins and ends with you. You're fully responsible. You are the owner of your destiny. You are the person that is responsible for everything. And let me tell you something about that. Many people cannot deal with that responsibility. Many people cannot deal with the responsibility of their own lives. They get scared. They're like, oh, who am I going to blame? Well, the only person you can blame is yourself. So eventually, many people, they join the real estate, they realize like, hey, everything depends on me. I need to have discipline. I need to have power. I need to have confidence. And some people just feel that they don't have it in them. And unfortunately, they leave too soon. So here's a few tips that I just want to give to you before you consider joining the real estate, or if you're just in real estate. First of all, please start treating it as a real profession. It's a real thing. It's not less than a lawyer, an accountant, a judge, a police officer, or anything out there. It's a real profession that needs real education, dedication, and execution. Make sure that you are somebody that can adapt very fast to change. New technology coming in, new shift coming in, you don't care about it, because in real estate you will always be able to make money in any market. And the last thing, hey, congratulations, you are a businessman. Yes, that means no more job security, no more, blaming your boss, blaming your colleagues. Everything begins and ends with you. Hey, I really hope that you enjoyed this video this time. It was all about the biggest reasons why real estate agents fail, but I'm quite sure you're watching this right now. You want to be educated. So keep yourself educated and watch all of our videos here on YouTube. Make sure that you subscribe and also make sure that you leave a lot of comments. Tell us what you would like to know, because we're happy to shoot another video with your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.